Hey everybody, Danny Rubino here with Windows Central. We're at IFA 2018, and today Acer just announced the second generation of its Windows mixed reality headset called the Oto 500 or Oho 500. We're trying to figure that out. A little weird name for it, but it's a pretty neat device. So what they did was they upgraded the one from last year, which wasn't all that inspiring. And there's a couple of new things that you should be aware of. One, it's a detachable faceplate. It's the first of its kind. The idea behind this is for commercial purposes, or if you have a family you want to share it, it's just an easy way to clean the headset and the straps. Speaking of those straps, you have two versions that come with it. Apparently you have a soft strap and a hard strap. The hard one has more padding in it. It's a little bit more comfortable. It's good for a long duration. The soft strap is great for just putting it on very quickly. It's like an elastic that goes around the head. Very easy to use for quick durations. Should be nice. There's also interpupillary distance measurement now built into this. So if you don't know about Windows Mixed Reality, they try to measure your pupils, and it's kind of a tricky thing. Basically, if they line up your pupils, you get a better experience. And how this has been done in the past, there's a little wheel at the bottom. This still has a wheel which helps, but then there's software too that also assists in lining up your eyes to give you an experience. Speaking of those displays, it's 2.89-inch LCD, which is really good. It's a 100-degree field of view, and we're talking a 2880 by 1440 resolution. I tried it on for a few minutes. It's actually very comfortable to wear, and you do see a lot more this time. It just feels more immersive. The headphones that are built on, you can take off, and they feel okay. It's a little janky. It feels sort of like the Samsung Odyssey, just not quite as high quality. That's okay. This is going for a $399 price point, and will come out in November in the United States and other countries as well. I'm happy to see this next iteration of Windows Mixed Reality, and hopefully we'll see others as well. Follow us at Windows Central for more IFA 2018. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.